Do you have sloping, slanted, or bowed floors and you're not exactly certain why? Are your floors no longer even? Today you will learn why your floors probably feel sloped. Unlevel floors not only prove a major annoyance, but can often be a dangerous trip hazard as well. Before repairs can begin, it's imperative to get to the bottom of the source. If you want to learn exactly what causes your home's floor to become unlevel, this video is for you. When it comes down to it, there are only a few main causes for sloped floors out here in Southern California and Arizona. There are subfloor problems, floor joist problems, post and pad problems, and foundation settlement issues. Your home's subfloor is the bottom layer of flooring which provides a level, stable surface for the surface flooring, things like carpet, hardwood, or linoleum. For raised foundations in our area, subfloors are generally comprised of plywood and sit directly atop the foundation's joists. Due to environmental factors, wooden subfloors are particularly susceptible to water damage, rot, and mold. Water-damaged subfloors create bowing to the flooring and occasionally they can collapse. However, more often than not, it is not the subfloor itself, but the support system beneath it that result in those sloped floors. The stem walls, posts and pads, or cripple walls underneath your home may begin to settle unevenly, causing the floor to dip in areas where there's a lack of support. A more difficult repair than post and pad replacement when it comes to crawl space foundations is joist repair. Wooden floor joists are extremely susceptible to moisture damage, rot, mold, and disintegration. This can result from poor drainage, a water leak, or past flooding. Over time, foundations sink into incompetent, non-load-bearing soils, causing the interior floors to slope or slant. This weak soil is often referred to as expansive soil because it expands when there's an excess of moisture and it shrinks when that moisture dries out. This cycle of expansion and shrinkage exerts undue stress on your foundation, causing areas to settle or sink at different rates. So, how much does each of these repairs cost? Each of the prices we're about to discuss are an average for the year of 2022, which we've seen pretty big increases in cost of goods due to markets and inflation. So stem wall repairs really depend on what type of repair that needs to be done. There are several different types of repairs for a stem wall. Giving an average would be really hard to do, so we're gonna skip that one. Post and pad repairs average between $350 and $750 per location for material and installation. Cripple wall repairs average between $50 and $60 per square foot for material and installation. We don't typically do floor joist repairs, but we do girder beams, which is the main load beams for the foundation that the floor joists sit atop. Girder beam repairs average about $100 per foot for material and installation. Foundation settlement repairs average about $24,000 for material and installation. If you're concerned that you might in fact be dealing with some sloped floor issues in your home, don't worry, we're here to help. Click the Get Started button right at the top right-hand side of our website and you can schedule your own free foundation inspection with one of our specialists. You will get an exact estimate for the repairs and a detailed quote for the items needing to be replaced or fixed if you do in fact have sloped floor issues. Thanks for watching the video and remember to never settle for an unsafe or unlevel home.